Got some muscle coming through. Whoa. Oh, it's my favorite. I got this guy. Woo. That thing is a beaut. What's the year of this bad boy? 69.
Yes, sir.
Are you from around here?
Yes, sir.
Tennessee Beach? My name's Carlos. What's your name?
Carlos, Nathan.
Nice to meet you, Nathan.
This is a big block 427 I did myself. Yeah, I was very blessed when I picked it up. Oh, and again, I picked this car up for $8,700. 2017, the guy was asking, and the whole story was, he was asking 10.5. I was getting ready to graduate, in the next couple of months. So this was my high school car. Because I had $3,500 and I saved up like up to $5,300. I'm like, I'll work extra hours, I'll work overtime, whatever I got to do. I go to school the next day and, I look up and it's gone. Dad goes, "Hey, dude, sorry, we got to update it." Oh, and so I was upset.
Yeah, of course.
I get to the shop and I'm looking again. There's no other car about it. We're at our old location and I walk out the door and he's like, "Hey, come help me push this big old muscle car." I'm thinking, oh, maybe it's the Mercury Cougar we were doing. And I go out and there's the Cougar. I'm like, "What's that across the street?" And he unveils it. I'm crying. He's crying.
Oh, he won a Walla. Yeah. Oh, he got you, dude. Pop sounds like a good man.
I will never sell this car. I mean, this has got me, my dad, my grandpa, all my really good friends, even my wife in it. She actually helped me build the entire motor. I had to wait till after hours because I was jamming on putting Volkswagen motors together. And, it was probably 7:30, finally closed up shop. She came in and she stayed with me till about 11:30, 12 o'clock at night. And all she was doing, she was prepping the rod bolts, getting things all wiped down and clean. So as I was dropping the bearings in, I was checking clearances, and she's, finally she hit that 11:30, 12 o'clock. She goes, "Okay, it's time to go home."
Oh, yeah. Oh. Woo! Let's get in here. Woo! Man. All right. Shall I buckle in?
I mean, again, flat belts won't help.